Imagine you waking up every morning, checking your phone, your account, and see how money is roaring in while you sleep. How does it sound? It sounds very nice, right? It sounds very nice to be true. It is very true. That's what I do. I wake up every 3 a.m. in the night to see how much money has been deposited on my account. Today, I'm going to be showing you, especially this is to content creators. Are you there writing blogs? Are you making videos like me? Are you a social media entrepreneur in any way, in whichever platform? But I'm focusing majorly on YouTube today. I'm going to be showing you how you can focus on mainly 3 types of content that makes you earn very well, makes you your journey of passive income be very right. I'm 100% very right, 100% true, because I've tested these 3 types of content. I know some of you must be knowing, others might not be knowing, but we make this content daily, either knowing by coincidence you find we have done this. But now that we know, we are going to be focusing on this because it grabs attention. And I give you how you can do these types of the 3 types of content. We are talking about hub content, we are talking about help content, and we are talking about hero content. As you can see on the screen, this is hub, hero, and help. We are going to master these 3 and you'll start earning passive income daily with minimum effort. The question most people ask, Christine, are you working? Christine, which type of work are you doing that? How do you manage this? So I use these 3 types of content. Every video can take like 30 to 45 minutes. Everything inclusive. And remember, I'm doing a 9 to 12 hour job without putting preparations, homework, and other things. But I make sure that I get, this is not side income. It's part of main income right now. So let's dive in. But before we dive in, I would love to salute every individual that is dedicated to Learn on Immaculate Show, is dedicated to come every day. My students, I love you so much. Hope I see you prospering very soon. Then for you royal viewers, you're wonderful. I'm not here to really brag, but sometimes I kneel down and say, God, thank you. How would somebody be there and every time you put a video, allows you to be on their screen? So God bless you all. And for new subscribers, this is your place. What we need to chase poverty. And when we are talking about poverty, we don't mean that money is going to be roaring in your pockets every day, but this is a foundation for you to sit down and say, no, I don't want my future to be ugly. Or in 1 year or in 1 month, I don't want to be lacking $100 on a daily basis. So this is step number 1. Step number 1, we are going to talk about hub content. Hub content, keep your audience hooked. When you hear about something hub, get to know that this is the content that will make your audience hooked. They will even feel like, no, even if someone calls them, they will not look aside. There's that time that someone has called you when you're watching a clip or a comedy and you're like, you continue doing like that. That's the real content I'm talking about. So what does hub content do? Let's talk about this. Especially to you, the content creator, the social media entrepreneur, we are not here to, what is your objective? Your objective is to make people follow you, remain with you, but above all, let them be hooked and provide them value. Let them get something that valuable on your page, on your social media platforms. Think about of hub content as your regular engaging content that keeps people coming back. This is where you build a royal audience. What are the examples of this hub content? I'll be putting them on our screen. Some of the content that we have already rolled in our playlist, we have hub content. So as you can see them on the screen, I'm giving you an example. The first example is behind the scenes of your niche, e.g. a day in my life as a content creator. You guys, before I slept, the day before I watched this, I made this video, I was watching a clip on YouTube or TikTok, but I was hooked. What was in this clip? This clip was my day routine as I make the video. What made me get hooked? I saw what we go through, the struggle. I thought it was only me alone. No, but there are other people the same as long as you're a content creator. So that type of content, if I tell you that what I go through, you will remain, you'll be inquisitive to know. So I was hooked on this clip to the extent I saw the lady putting, she does cooking content. So she goes even to the extent of putting a camera in a fridge. She puts a camera on the ceiling. She puts a camera under the sink, everywhere. That one makes people be hooked because they want to learn. They can't believe. For them, most people are seeing the product, the final product, but the process when you put behind the scenes. And I'm going to make it a habit now. So the second one is industry updates and trends, e.g. latest WhatsApp money making tips. I think you accept that you have seen this content lately. Why? Because I know you're bored of how to make money with surveys, how to make money with this. There are some people who don't know that the latest things, they are even not latest, but most individuals don't know these things are very real. So there is personal stories and experiences. Personal stories hook people on your page, because they want to know what are you doing, and okay, what happened to you in your childhood age. However, I don't encourage you. If you're a woman of substance, a virtuous woman, there are sometimes we don't need to expose ourselves because this social media is ever it will keep these things. But if need be, you want to put your personal stories and experiences. If I start mine, you'll never go away from me. I've had a personal experience in my Christian life, in the churches I go to, in the life I've lived every day today, in making money, in my growing up. But I don't encourage you to go and bring that dirty unless it is called for. So that is what we call hub content. How it makes your money right now. This is what we're going to talk about, because we are on the edge of making passive income, making money, $100 a day. I don't go there now. I'm no longer encouraging you to go below $100 per day as a passive income person, especially when you have already started. Even if you've just started, your aim should be higher. So how does this hub content give us money? Hub content give us money in a way that whenever people keep watching, they are getting interested to know you. They are getting, by the way, you're getting money. The longer they watch hours, the longer they're growing on the screen, the more the adverts and the more the money. The watch duration is high. So there's this personal story I saw for some lady on TikTok. I was like, I wish this lady had put it on YouTube, on Facebook. You people, so whenever you're going to give information, especially this hooking information, look for the platform where you'll gain, because it will not gain you much for you to go somewhere, give out that painful experience, and you don't get anything, and it is kept for future insults. Okay, so this is how it makes you money, the hub content. Let's see step number 2. It is help content. Help content, this is the content that we do answer and question and answer sessions. You have seen me, I've done more than 4 videos about WhatsApp, and these videos came out from one video which was uploaded and premiered like 1 month ago. That video was a wow video that it has attracted attention, more than 35 views. So these 5 to 7 videos I've made out of these are help content, because people are asking questions. Instead of me charging you that because you have asked me a question, so I should take you in a session that is payable, I decided to build another video out of it. So exactly, this is where you help people to solve their problems by creating searchable, variable content. This type of content is very good. The type of content ranks on Google and YouTube, bringing you evergreen content, evergreen views. This is where we come always, and I tell you about evergreen. I believe now if you go to your content, you'll know that this is help content, this is not help content, and this is hub content. What are these examples of help content that we're talking about? We're talking about like how to earn passive income on WhatsApp. We're talking about best apps for making money on phone, how to monetize WhatsApp status, And how does this hope content make you earn passive income? It makes you earn income in a way that the more people watch, the more that you get watch duration, and the more watch duration, the more the money. What are you talking about? And on this one, you people get to know that help content makes you get more traffic. Whenever you get more traffic, apart from earning from on-way AdSense, you can even earn from your digital products. For people who are selling digital products like ebooks, like courses, you can sign up very many people because the traffic is there. You can even go ahead and use affiliate marketing, and people will be trusting you because you already have the traffic, and they will jump in and click on those links. And you know, when the people click on the links, you know what it means. At least it can lead to some sales, and the commission is in your bank account. Let's go to the third one. The third one is called hero content. As you can see on the screen, hero content can be one video, can be two video, and it will make it will announce your name. Hero content, I had one of the hero content, so far I have like 4 or 5 of them, but I want to make them at least in a weekly basis. You find you have one hero content. Hero content is that content which is very big for your audience, as for your channel. How is it big? It is big in a way that it impacts your audience very positively, and it's high impact content that grabs attention and has the potential to go viral. Hero content brings in huge traffic spikes. It leads to massive monetization opportunities. If you see on this video, you can see this one on the screen. This one is hero content plus plus. It has so far grabbed attention of more than 32k views with very good watch duration, and it has provided good amount of money, as I'm going to be showing you. What are the types of hero content? Types of hero content, you've seen me sometimes I talk about, I tried making this money and on my phone, here is what to do. The second way is to say maybe the simple steps, or what are the simple hacks, what are the simple hacks of WhatsApp, and you get 5,000 or 500 depending on the money that you're going to. You really know you can get step-by-step guide. I don't encourage clickbait. If you see me putting 100, you know that I got 90 or I got 110. I don't always put a specific the amount of money that I got. If you see me putting 1,000, you know I get either 1,100 or I got 89 or 90 or 900 something. So the another example is the ultimate side hustle that makes money online in just few clips or few taps. This is what you've been seeing, and this is a disclaimer, you guys. Don't be rigid, especially for new social media entrepreneur, content creators. You're going to bust your head looking for content, but the content is within your videos right now, the ones you already did, and the content is around you and is within you. So don't darten your head by overstretching it. How does this hero content bring you passive income? Hero content, if you see this video since 1 month ago, and it is going to give me money till infinity. If you can see its engagement, if you can see the click rate ratio is very high. So these are the types of hero content. How it makes money. Viral content attracts brand deals, sponsorship, and even massive audience growth, leading to long-term passive income. Since this video was premiered, I've gotten like more than 10 deals, but I don't have that time. It's like I'm still young, as in terms of I need time for this. I've got up to now messages, emails, communications, calls, because of this video, one video. So one video, hero video, is very important for you. Start thinking about it. You can sit down and see, okay, how can I do this? Just do one, and another after one week, after 1 month, depending on the time that you have. Me, I'm very busy because I work 9 to 12 hours. That's why you see like hero content, it comes one, but I try to mix them. So having said that, you guys, let me know what you feel as to call to action. The final thoughts. What do you think about making money strategy? This strategy, I've given you the 3 ways. The hub. Here is what I will advise you. Get to know like this. Hub content, it is to keep your audience engaged. Because don't let your audience sleep there and say, she's no more. That's what we call hub content. Then hub content, it makes you attract more search traffic because it is green content. Then Hero content, it is to make you go viral and scale up. Only one video can make you go far. So here you cannot say that I'm going to do only hero content, I'm going to do only hub content. No, you have to do all the 3 types of content. I think someone asked me this question, as I'd already told you 2 days back, about which video should I make, but I felt instead of answering it in a shorts and long form, this is the best way, because if you're a social media entrepreneur, you want to make money, and if you want to make money, you have to have these 3 of them. So passive income shorts now. It starts now, not tomorrow. Start creating these 3 types of content and watch your phone turn into an income generating powerhouse. You guys, what do you think? If you know you have watched to this end before you share to your friend, why don't you like them? So for me, I say, even if you like this content or you don't like, put it your mind in the comment section. Your engagement matters a lot.